Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the serious risks associated with Roblox exploits. It's crucial to understand that using these tools goes against Roblox's rules, which can result in your account being permanently banned. Beyond that, many exploit programs are not safe and can introduce harmful software to your device, potentially compromising your personal information. We'll cover why avoiding them is the best approach for a secure and enjoyable gaming experience. The consequences of using Roblox exploits are quite severe. First and foremost, you risk losing your Roblox account forever, along with any Robux or items you've purchased. Furthermore, downloading and installing exploit software can seriously endanger your device. Many of these programs are fronts for malware, which can steal your personal data, including passwords and financial information, leading to much larger problems than just a game ban. Protecting your Roblox account is straightforward and essential. Always ensure you download the game and any updates directly from the official Apple App Store or the Roblox website. Never use third-party sites. Activating two-step verification adds a vital security layer, making it much harder for unauthorized users to access your account. Be extremely cautious of any offers for free Robux or special game advantages from unofficial sources, as these are almost always scams designed to compromise your account. If you encounter players using exploits, the best action is to report them using Roblox's built-in reporting tools. This helps maintain a fair environment for everyone. It's also a good idea to review Roblox's community standards to understand what is and isn't allowed. Ultimately, the safest and most enjoyable way to play Roblox is to engage fairly, respecting other players and the game's design. Avoid any temptation to use exploits, and you'll have a much better experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.